Hello teacher, my name is İsmail, and now I will explain how this program works. First of all, we have three classes in here. One of is expression converter, other one is postfix evaluator, and other one is main class. And this class handles the operator precedence and converts the given infix expressions into a postfix expression. Okay. And this class processes postfix expressions by using a stack to perform arithmetic operations in the correct order. And last one is main class. In here, the infix expression is defined and converted to postfix and then evaluated. Okay, and we create the object in here. Now let's see how this program works with breakpoints and debugs. I will run with debug in here, and let's see. In here we create two objects. Okay, we create two objects, and for this class objects there's a difference, because when we press the F5 button we go in here. So when we create the expression converter object, Java loads the class into memory for the first time. So during the process, all static files are initialized and the static block runs. So this all lines will be run. So we see the precedence map being filled in here only once at the very beginning. So let's see, these 5 line will run, and we go back to main class and we will go again and we create objects now, and it's created. So let's see the other line. In here, our postfix evaluator, we create evaluator from postfix evaluator class, and we create it. Now let's see what's happening in here. I'm sorry, I passed. In here, we define our infix expression, so a plus b multiplied by c. Okay, this will be the input to the converter. Now we call infix postfix method in here. So let's see infix postfix method. We can see in here. In here we loop through each character in the infix expression. If the character is a variable like a, b, or c, it is directly added to the postfix expression. If it's an operator, we check its precedence and decide whether to push it to the stack or pop from the stack. Okay, our first character is a. Okay, our first character is a. So a is a variable, so it's directly appended to the postfix strings. So our postfix now only a. We can see in here. We append a in here. Now let's back to loop again. Now our second character is add sign, so it is an operator. Now the isOperator method checks the operator. Since the stack is empty, the plus operator is pushed onto this stack. Our stack now plus when the loop finished. We call isOperator method in here, and we call isOperator now. Yeah, it's operator, so it will add to the stack. Our stack now is plus sign. Our third character is b, so it is a variable or letter, so it's directly appended to the postfix string. Our postfix now ab. Okay, we can see in here. And our fourth character is operator. It is star. So precedence check is done. Since star has higher precedence than plus sign, it is pushed onto the stack. So our stack now plus and star, plus sign and star sign. It's operator, so we check in here and we add it, and we precedence of method is calling because star is higher precedence than plus sign, so it's pushed onto the stack. Okay, we can say like that. And our last character is C, so C is a variable or letter, so it's directly append to the postfix string, directly appending here. Okay, now we are going to while loop in here. After this process, all characters, we pop the remaining operators from stack and append them to postfix expressions. Now our stack contains plus sign and star sign. So first the star operator is popped from this stack and added to the postfix operation expressions. So our postfix now ABC star and stack now plus sign. Okay, we can say like this. Then the plus operator is popped from the stack and added to the postfix expressions. Our postfix now ABC star and plus sign, and our stack is now empty. Okay, that's it. We can say our class, our string is ready. I'm sorry. Now we pass the other line. We can pass. In here we return to the main class and print the postfix expressions we just generated. The output on the console is ABC star and plus, like this. Now let's go to the other line. In here we now prepare a map to assign numeric values for variables. This map will be used later during the evaluation phase, and we assign A equal to 2, B equal to 3 in here, and C equal to 4. Okay, we add values in here. Now in here we call, I think we enter the postfix evaluator class and class to evaluate the expression. We loop through each character of the postfix strings. When we go there, we call evaluate method in here, and in here push 2 for A, okay, and push 3 for B, and push 4 for C. We then encounter star sign, so we pop 3 and 4, multiply them equal to 12. Next comes plus sign, so we pop 2 and 12, add them equal to 14. The final result is left at the top of at the stack in here. Okay, we call 3 times this loop, we call it that, and there's a switch block, and after that, now I'll explain it. This line is finished right now, and we return to the main class and one last time to print the final result, and the console shows our result is 14. which confirms that the evolution worked correctly. Okay, you can see in here, and I write there, both of them. Thanks for listening. See you next week.